Hello, this is just going to be a quick update video for Marduk, showing that she is still here, still around, and unfortunately I haven't been able to do a demonstration because I've been busy moving, but I'll be able to tell you about the couple tweaks I have been working on. We'll start with the right arm as I go up the ladder. I moved the axle for the Waldo a bit further back from the front, that way I can give a bit more forward movement to the arm, but unfortunately, since I put these mounting points, or mounting bars, on the backside, it doesn't give the movement that I need. So I just need to take the entire arm off, swap these on the front, and it should be good to go. But I can show you how it should be with the left arm. We'll just take this ladder and wander on over. Here we go. And since this mounting point is on the front, it gives a lot more room in between the linkage and the frame. So when you pull it back, that arm bends quite a bit forward relative to the frame and stuff. So it should make a better punch. It's just unfortunately I didn't lube the cable and it ended up snapping it, so whoops. I'm going to need to feed a new cable into the elbow, feed it all the way through and back here, but that's only like a 10-minute job. So, and battery still works and stuff, so it's just fiddling around with these Waldos, and I guess that will be it. And you know, I also have to make sure the snowblower still runs and reattach this tension arm, because as I've mentioned before, it has fallen off at some point or another. That this point is supposed to be attached up there, and it ain't. Don't know how that happened, but that is just a few little fixes I gotta do. So, if you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe, and, you know, share it with people who might like to see giant robots too. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.